guys, I want to walk you through how to start studying for the Chapter 2 test. So over here on the left, once you're in CPM, look for the Chapter 2 closure. It's going to be at the end of all the lessons. And note we still have 3 more lessons to get through. Okay, then when you're there, it will look like this. We can skip the summarizing your understanding for now, and you're going to go down to these closure problems here. So it starts with number 90, and your test is almost identical to the closure problems. So this is the best place to go to study, and you can start doing this now. So we have all of these types of problems, and it ends at 96. 97 is where you go back and you reflect on how well you understand each type of problem. So you're ranking yourself 0, completely confused, to 10, totally get it. You don't have to do the whole shading in. You can just write the number next to the problem where you're at. And if any of your bars are less than 5, you could choose one of those problems to come up with questions that you would ask about that problem. You can brainstorm some things that you do know or do understand about that type of problem. And then there's a task if you are, if all of your bars are 5 or above. And these are just good things to do. So it's building that habit. So when you're struggling with something proactive you can do, and then when you're understanding something really well, something you can push yourself to do to understand it even further. Next, they have additional tools. So learning log entries, we haven't been doing all of them. I know we did meanings of minus. We did, I'm not sure, one of these other learning logs. There's math notes, math vocabulary. So I just clicked on evaluate for an example. And at the bottom, this is very helpful. So let's say question 90 you had a hard time with. So you can check your answer here. These lessons are the lessons that went over this topic. So you can go back and see what we did. You could even pull them up on the agenda slides through here, and you can find notes that I shared on the agenda slides. You can look at the textbook math notes and then LL's learning logs. Here are similar problems that you could practice. Okay, so there are a lot of great resources here. This is how you should be studying for the test.